I wanted to share with you today a package my brother-in-law, Will Blanton, has sent to me. He lives in Tallahassee, Florida, along with my sister. And there's a store down there called the Good Sense store. And from what I understand, it is part of Goodwill. And you can buy items in bulk rather than individual items like you would at the Goodwill store. And I've never seen one, never been in one, don't even know if there's one local to me. But apparently you can buy it in bulk, items in bulk, it's sold by weight. And you have to dig through these bins to find the items that you want to buy. And I am a pen collector, just not a fountain pen enthusiast. I've collected all kinds of pens for years and years. So Will always tries to keep a lookout for me if he finds something there or anywhere else that might be of interest to me. So this is the package I got today. So he had sent me a message with a picture of what he had found. It's a cross pen. I only have one cross pen. It is a gold filigree that used to belong to my dad, and I received it after he passed away. And I treasure that pen very much because it was one that he really liked to write with. This box is burgundy. Did a little research on it after he sent me the picture. And this is what they call a ladies or women's cross pen. It is a matte burgundy. It does not have a clip on it. But at the top here, it does say cross. The the gold accents are 14 karat gold. There we go. It's in the original case. And we're kind of thinking that maybe somebody was given this pen, because this pen, from what I can find on the archives from the Cross website, came out in 1991. And it came out as a single pen. It also came out as a collection, as far as it had a pen like this, and then there was a mechanical pencil that looked like this. And it's really cool. And it also comes with a pen sleeve. I don't know, it doesn't feel like leather. And it folds open, so it'll give you easy access to getting your pen. In and out. And I was really surprised that to be able to, that he found this and that he was able to get a hold of it. The even more surprising thing about it is how much he paid for it. And like I said, at the Good Sense store, they charge by weight. So this pen cost him 17 cents. It cost him more money to ship it to me than it cost him to buy it. Comes with the instruction book. Refill order form. Nice. You don't see that anymore. I appreciate that, Will. Let's see. Take the back of this paper, envelope actually, part of the mail, and see if we write. That's just amazing. I mean, how cool is that? And the barrel's nice. I like that matte finish for such a slim pen. Oh, looks like we might be kind of running dry now, but that's okay because inserts for these pens are easy to find. So this was a really cool find on his part, especially with the case and everything still being intact and the literature that comes with it. And the original sleeve. Ladies ballpoint pen, burgundy, 2242. Thank you, and thanks for watching.